Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to change YouTube language on mobile. So when you open your YouTube app and try to tap on the profile picture and the settings, you will see right here that you don't have any options to change the language on YouTube. So all you're going to do is go to the system settings and you need to find the language right here. Go to additional settings, so tap this one and you will find language and input right here, and you need to find this language and select a language that you want to change. So for example, you want to change for this one. If you tap this one, then tap on OK. And then as you can see, all the settings on your phone is changed. Now we're gonna go back to the YouTube and you want to try to reopen this application. So go ahead and open this app. And you will see here the YouTube language has been changed. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.